Here's fun and effective way to learn irregular verbs. Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awoke, awoken. Be, was, were, been. Bear, bore, born. Beat, beat, beaten. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Bend, bent, bent. Bet, bat, bet. Bind, bound, bound. Bite, bit, bitten. Bleed, bled, bled. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Breed, bred, bred. Bring, brought, brought. Broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt, burnt. Burst, burst, burst. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Cling, clung, clung. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Creep, crept, crept. Cut, cut, cut. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grind, ground, ground. Grow, grew, grown. Hang, hung, hung. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Keep, kept, kept. Kneel, knelt, knelt. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led. Learn, learned, learned. Leave, left, left. Lend, lent, lent. Lie, lay, lain. Lie, lied, lied. Light, lit, lit. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Mow, mowed, mown. Overtake, overtook, overtaken. Pay, paid, paid. Put, put, put. Quit, quit, quit. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Run, ran, run. Sow, sowed, sown. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Set, set, set. Sow, sowed, sown. Shake, shook, shaken. Shed, shed, shed. Shine, shone, shown. Shoot, shot, shot. Show, showed, shown.
shrank, shrunk, shut, 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 sing, sang, sung, sink, sank, sunk, sit, sat, sat, sleep, slept, slept, slide, slid, slid, smell, smelled, smelt, sow, sowed, sown, speak, spoke, spoken, spell, spelled, spelled, spend, spent, spent, spill, spilled, spilled, spit, spat, spat, spread, 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 stand, stood, stood, steal, stole, stolen, stick, stuck, stuck, sting, stung, stung, stink, stank, stunk, strike, struck, struck, swear, swore, sworn, sweep, swept, swept, swell, swelled, swollen, swim, swam, swam, swing, swung, swung, take, took, taken, teach, taught, taught, tear, tore, torn, tell, told, told, think, thought, thought, throw, threw, thrown, understand, understood, understood, wake, woke, woken, wear, wore, worn, weep, wept, wept, win, won, won, wine, wound, wound, write, wrote, written. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the song. This song is only a part of a much bigger course on irregular verbs, where you can find a complete list of irregular verbs with examples for each form. Also, I will explain the difference between British and American English when it comes to irregular verbs. You will also get a list of irregular verbs divided into patterns. For your convenience, I included the audio version of the song into the course so you can listen to it on your devices. In the course, I also explained the third form and its usage. And finally, I created interactive quizzes where you can practice irregular verbs to memorize them faster. Join the course today and finally master all the irregular verbs of English language. Find the link to the course in the description. And now I have to go, went, gone to teach, taught my students.